Hey guys, and welcome to the video for page style number 7. So for my favorite page style number 7, I have included a regular belly band to my advent calendar series. And I really like this more simple page style because, as you can see here, it holds a lot of different photo mats or photo booklets. And I also like to place some journaling tags behind the belly band as well. Now we can continue and just place our 3/8 of an inch tape right next to the two scoring lines we just scored. We then also want to cut off the corners on these little flaps we created. So I like to turn around my cardstock piece and then I get my small scissors and I just cut at an angle right next to the scoring line. And you don't want to cut into the scoring line, but just next to it. Then we want to fold up our cardstock at the scoring line and just get a bone folder to burnish it down as well. In the next step, we are going to attach our pattern paper for the basic page onto our basic page. And for this, I like to use wet glue because then I'm still able to move around my pattern paper and find the right position so that I have it attached evenly onto my cardstock with still having a small border around my pattern paper. After attaching the pattern paper to the basic page, we want to attach our cardstock element A onto the basic page as well. So I just remove the tape backing from one side and then I can hold up the sticky side while placing it onto the bottom of my basic page. And once I have it in the right position, and I just like to eyeball it so that it's kind of in the middle of the basic page. And once I have it in the right position, I can remove the rest of the tape backing, and then I can remove the tape backing from the other side as well, and just stick it onto the basic page. And this already brings us to the last step. So for the last step, we just get our pattern paper A and we place some liquid glue onto our pattern paper, and then we can cover our cardstock element A with our pattern paper. And after we have attached the basic paper for cardstock element A as well, we can just burnish it down, and then we are basically done with our 7th page style. So you could just take your pictures or maybe some text or whatever you like, some photo mats or little booklets, and just slide it under the belly band we created. And that's it for today's tutorial. So as you can see, the 7th page style is very simple. It's just a belly band, which you have probably seen in other albums here on YouTube as well. So a lot of crafters are using belly bands in their albums because I think it's simple to make, but also very fun to have in the album. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed watching this YouTube tutorial, and if you did so, you can also give it a thumbs up, and then I love to see you in the next video. So have a good day and see you next time. Bye!